Hello, today's video we have the
Bai
following
Jingting
content.
fights back against cyberbullying, cult ruling hits trolls hard, netizens show support. Bai Jingting takes a stand against cyberbullying, from the Up the Spring Mountain controversy to a court victory, unmasking the truth behind online rumors. At the 2024 CCTV Spring Festival Gala, Bai Jingting's meticulously prepared performance in Up the Spring Mountain captivated audiences. Little did you know, this artistic showcase would ignite a fierce online storm. What was meant to convey the vibrancy of spring was maliciously twisted by some netizens and bloggers into a palace intrigue drama. Bai Jingting found himself labeled a scheming boy, thrust into the eye of a public opinion hurricane. Refusing to stay silent, he fought back with the law, clearing his name and setting a precedent for combating cyberbullying. The Spring Mountain Studies farce, from frame-by-frame analysis to malicious edits. Post-gala, the internet buzzed with a bizarre trend dubbed Spring Mountain Studies. Self-proclaimed sleuths dissected Bai Jingting's every move in Up the Spring Mountain, branding his choreographed stage positioning as stealing the spotlight or hogging the camera. Some went further, using editing tools to distort his expressions, turning them grotesque or clownish, complete with snarky commentary. These videos, portraying the gala as a spy thriller, racked up hundreds of thousands of views, with comment sections brimming with vitriol, as if Bai Jingting had committed an unforgivable crime. Professionals debunked these claims. A choreographer involved in the gala dismissed the accusations. The so-called spotlight stealing is nonsense. Bai's movements were part of the planned choreography, designed to complement the song's theme. The show's director added, "We aim to evoke the warmth of spring, but our artistic intent was warped into a tale of rivalry." Serious analysis gets ignored, while conspiracy theories go viral. Worse, these smears were often driven by profit. Bai's team uncovered that some bloggers, who had praised him as handsome one day, flipped to slandering him the next. When confronted, one blogger shrugged, "I go where the traffic is." Celebrities are just fodder for clicks. Their opportunism was galling. Legal counterstrike, rumor mongers face consequences. As the online attacks escalated, Bai Jingting's team sprang into action, amassing evidence, maliciously edited videos, defamatory comments, and even records of bloggers' shady dealings. In mid-2024, Bai filed lawsuits in Beijing Internet Court against several offending bloggers and accounts, demanding they cease infringement, issue public apologies, and pay damages. In court, some defendants tried to downplay their actions as jokes or entertainment. One brazenly argued, "It was just a video edit." "Is it worth getting so serious?" the judge shot back. "You call defacing someone's image and spreading it online a joke? Would you be fine with your face photoshopped onto a funeral portrait and shared everywhere?" The courtroom fell silent, with even spectators visibly chastened. The court ruled that the blogger's actions constituted defamation, ordering apologies, content removal, and compensation for Bai's economic and emotional damages. Most complied, but a few resisted, only to face harsh consequences. The court froze their bank accounts and imposed spending restrictions. One blogger, who had boasted, "A celebrity suing a nobody is just bullying," now faced daily financial struggles, learning the hard way that defiance wasn't worth it. Industry ripple effect, a new era of celebrity advocacy. Bai Jingting's victory reverberated through the entertainment world. Historically, celebrities endured cyberbullying in silence, fearing that responding would fan the flames. Bai's triumph changed that narrative, emboldening others. An anonymous industry insider noted, "Before, we thought lawsuits were too costly and risky. Bai's case shows that with solid evidence, the law is a powerful shield." The ruling also spooked clickbait-driven accounts. Sources indicate that some marketing teams have scaled back unverified content to avoid legal trouble. A PR firm manager admitted, "Defamation's price tag is steep now, court summons aren't worth the clicks." Netizens reflect, from mob mentality to regret. The court's decision flipped the online narrative. Many who had joined the hate bandwagon began questioning their actions. One netizen posted, "I shared those damning videos without thinking. Now I see they were fake. I feel awful." Another wrote, "Cursing someone online is so easy, but we never consider the victim's pain." Amusingly, some of the loudest detractors scrubbed their accounts clean, pivoting to wholesome posts as if their earlier rants never happened. Netizens, quick to notice, shared screenshots, joking, "You can delete posts, but you can't delete the law's memory." Their about-face was as swift as a theatrical mask change. A cleaner internet, from Bai's fight to society's responsibility. Bai Jingting's journey, from the Up the Spring Mountain stage to a courtroom victory, was more than a personal battle. It was a clarion call for a healthier internet. In a statement, his team declared, "We hope this case reminds everyone, the internet isn't a lawless rentier. Lies and malice will always crumble before the truth." The words struck a chord, prompting reflection on the toxic state of online discourse. Cyberbullying has plagued everyone, from celebrities to ordinary citizens. Bai's case underscores that legal recourse is viable, but lasting change requires collective effort. Content creators and netizens alike must prioritize facts and civility, resisting the urge to amplify rumors. Conclusion: truth prevails. Bai Jingting's saga proves that truth can triumph over slander. His story is a wake-up call. In an era of information overload, critical thinking and respect for facts are non-negotiable. The internet needs more clarity, not chaos. Let's work together to foster a digital world rooted in fairness and accountability. This article promotes positive values and contains no harmful content. Contact us if any issues arise.
Thank you for watching the video. If this is your first time watching a video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave your comments to help us develop your channel.